Good afternoon, dear colleagues. Today, I would like to tell you about my future PhD thesis. 2. My research is related with diet of ancient nomads of Eastern Europe. 3. The aim of my research is to reconstruct the life support system of ancient nomads of the forest steppe of the Middle Don Basin. To reconstruct the life support system of ancient humans, the following tasks must be solved. The first, bone collagen extraction. The second, mass spectrometry of bone collagen samples. The third, data analysis and interpretation of the results. 4. Ancient people in different areas had their own specific food. This specificity can be used to reconstruct the life support system. The most reliable tools for studying the diet of ancient humans are the analysis of stable isotopes of carbon and nitrogen. 5. For this purposes, we extracted collagen of bone of ancient humans, which were studied in archaeological sites in the Middle Don culture of the early Iron Age. 6. This study used materials from the archaeological sites of Kalbino 1, Turnovo 1, Gorky 1, Divitsa 5, and Durovka, and also materials from the Semaluki settlement and Ksazovo, 19 burial grounds. All these archaeological sites located in Ostrogotsky and Repevsky district of Voronezh region. 7. The collagen samples were analyzed using mass spectrometry. The total number of samples in the study was 81. 8. Next, using a special formula, the isotopic of carbon and nitrogen ratios of each collagen sample were calculated. How this information can be used to reconstruct the life support systems of ancient human groups. 9. So, different types of plants metabolize carbon isotopes differently during photosynthesis depending on climate. C3 type is a marker of humid climate, and C4 type is a marker of arid climate. 10. In turn, the nitrogen level is an indicator of the trophic position of the organism. In short, it works like this: more protein, higher its level. This is due to the fact that nitrogen concentrates at 3 to 4 ppm, moving up the food chain. 11. The information about different types of photosynthesis and data on the composition of stable isotopes of carbon and nitrogen make it possible to reconstruct models of nutrition system and accordingly the life support system of ancient populations. 12. The carbon isotope data on the x-axis demonstrate the geographical origin of plant foods, and therefore the geographical origin of people. The nitrogen isotope data on the y-axis show the proportion of protein in the diet. Thus, we understand where different groups of the population lived. The results of the study show that one group originates from the arid zone, the other from the humid zone. Both groups are characterized by a high-protein diet. 13. Conclusion. So, based on our findings, we can conclude the following. 1. The predominance of C4 plants in the diet links the population with arid regions and, possibly, with the migration of nomads groups from the steppe to forest steppe of Middle Don Basin. 2. High values delta nitrogen in most individuals indicate a high-protein diet, which is associated with cattle breeding. 3. In conclusion, it can be said that the life support system of the study groups was based on cattle breeding and agriculture.